If your Kia Sportage won't start, don't panic, as most common issues are electrical and easy to diagnose at home. Statistical data shows that 80% of no-start issues are traced back to simple battery or terminal problems. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to get you back on the road. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and checking for any signs of corrosion on the posts. Most often, you are dealing with a dead battery, loose cables, or a blown fuse in the starting circuit. If the battery checks out, consider a failing starter motor or an immobilizer issue preventing the engine from turning. You can handle simple cleaning and fuse checks yourself, but internal starter or ECU issues require professional help. This chart shows that simple maintenance is significantly cheaper than replacing major components like the starter. Use a multimeter to measure voltage drop and scan for OBD-I codes to pinpoint the exact failure point. Make sure you have a basic socket set, a wire brush, and a multimeter in your garage toolkit. Remember that safety is your primary priority when working on any vehicle electrical system. If these steps didn't solve your issue, consult a professional mechanic, and thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook.